In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hubstaff app efficiently, and we'll get through this in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and explore how you can track your time effectively. Before we get started, you'll need to download and install the Hubstaff app. You can do this on either your computer or mobile device. It's straightforward. Simply head to the official Hubstaff website or your device's app store to find the download link. Once you've got the app installed, you're all set to move on to the next step. Now go ahead and launch the Hubstaff desktop app. Once it's up and running, log in using your credentials. Upon signing in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that lists all the projects and tasks that have been assigned to you. This feature keeps everything you need right at your fingertips, making it easy to plan and manage your workflow. Next, locate the specific project and task you are currently working on. This step is crucial because you need to make sure you're tracking time accurately on the correct task. Simply click on the project or task name to highlight it. This way, Hubstaff knows exactly where to allocate the time you're about to track. To begin tracking, tap the play button next to your selected project or task. This action starts recording your time, and you'll see a live ticker pop up, showing you the duration in real time. It's handy as it keeps you informed about how long you've been working down to the minute. You can watch your productivity in action as the numbers tick away. As you work through your task, remember to manage your time effectively. Hubstaff allows you to take breaks, which is a necessary part of staying productive and preventing burnout. You can pause the time tracker when you step away from your desk and simply tap play again when you're ready to resume. Adding notes during this time is also beneficial as they provide context for your time entries, which can be invaluable during reviews or when generating reports. Once you've finished your work, it's time to stop the timer. All you need to do is tap the play button again, which now acts as a pause. This step finalizes your recorded time for that session, ensuring everything is captured accurately. Finally, you can view your recorded time on the Hubstaff dashboard. From here, generating reports is quick and straightforward. These reports provide a comprehensive overview of your activities, helping you and your team stay organized and up to date. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use the Hubstaff app efficiently in just a few minutes. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps you track your time more effectively.